Hello everyone, here is Ricardo Vargas and this is the 5 Minutes Podcast. Today I want to talk about a very common mistake in organizations. More tools do not mean more maturity. Many companies believe that the next piece of software will solve their management problems. They buy tools, they implement platforms, they hire expensive software, and yet they continue to make poor decisions. They create more dashboards, they add more reports, and they remain frustrated with the results. Tools do not create maturity. They simply make visible what already exists. If the organization does not know how to prioritize, the tool only organizes the confusion. If no one decides, the tool becomes a large graveyard of tasks. It's so important because if leadership avoids difficult conversations, the software merely records the silence. And honestly, I see this all the time. Teams are spending more energy feeding systems than thinking about the project. Perfect reports that lead to no decisions. Lots of metrics and no real priorities. Maturity is not about having the best tool on the market. Maturity is about answering simple questions. Who decides? Based on which criteria? And what changes when something goes off plan? Without this, any tool becomes just a digital decoration. There is a dangerous illusion of control. The more screenshots and automation, the more people feel they are in control. Big dashboards, but control without decision is not control. It's just historical record keeping. Remember, tools do not create discipline. Tools do not create alignment. Tools do not create the courage to say no. They only expose the absence of these things. Mature organizations do not start by choosing tools. They start by choosing principles. How do we prioritize? How do we cancel projects? How do we make very difficult and painful decisions? After that, the tool becomes support. It's not a crutch. So next time someone says, we need another tool, maybe the right question is a different one. Are we really mature enough to use this tool? Think about that. I hope you enjoy this podcast and see you next week with another 5 Minutes Podcast.